Hey everyone, welcome to another episode here at the Virtual Hearing Show. My name is Christopher Medina. I am your hearing care professional, and today we're going to be reviewing the Oticon OPN S. All right, welcome everybody again, and before we begin, I have a special offer for you guys. I know we're reviewing the Oticon OPN S products. We do have a special promo. We're doing $1,000 off a set of these Oticon OPN S products. So if you're interested, we're also offering a 14-day hearing aid trial of these aids so that you could try them first, risk-free. So let's get started. So we're gonna first talk about a little bit about the hardware, what's in the box, what comes with the hearing aids, right? So we got the little box it comes with here. So the hearing aids have a little carrying case. They come with a little hard case for when you put them away in your pocket or in your bag. And these are the aids. The actual specific model that we're reviewing today, this is the Oticon OPN S R. And the R just basically stands for rechargeable. And we'll get into some of the features down the line. But yeah, this is the hearing aid, and the actual style is a receiver in the canal, which means the little speaker with the soft tip goes inside your ear, and the hearing aid actually sits right on top behind your ear. Okay. So also with your box, you get a pack of your filters. The filters are to prevent wax from going inside the receiver, which is a little speaker. And basically, you'll get also a set of extra of these domes. And whenever you want to take these off, you want to slowly grab the tip and take it off. But behind the tip and on front of the speaker, there's a little filter that prevents wax or any type of debris from going inside. And if that ever gets clogged up, or if the hearing aid sounds weak, that's what these are, the Pro Wax Guards. And you basically just pull out a tab. The tab has a new filter, and with this other little tip, you're gonna insert it in the old one, basically in. You take it out, the new one, you push it in. So that's what these Pro Wax Guards are for. And the tip, it's real simple. It has a little hole in the back. You're just gonna insert the speaker right back in, and you're all done. So yeah, that's the Pro Wax Guards. Also comes with cleaning cloth. So if you get a little bit of wax and you just want to give it a quick wipe down, you can with this cloth. Also has a brush to clean the hearing aid all around from debris or wax or whatever. Has a little pick on the other side if there's like a little bit of wax in a certain area you just want to pick out. And this is the rechargeable model, which doesn't have a battery door, but if you do choose to get the battery operated one, this tool also has a magnet to help patients take out the battery much more simpler. Also, there is a few separate accessories that you can purchase with your hearing aids. For example, a TV streamer that streams all the audio from your TV directly to your hearing aids. Or for some patients who have dexterity issues, you can also get a remote to control the aids from the remote. And third, we also have, for patients who have Android phones, there is a little streamer accessory that you can link to the aid so that you're able to stream to Android phones. Because again, these OPN S models only stream directly to the iPhones. All right, guys, so let's get into some of the features these hearing aids have. So this is the OPN S R, and the R just basically stands for rechargeable. And you can also get these battery operated. So the only difference would be that you would have a battery door at the bottom, but these don't. So these are the OPN S R, which I'm going to show you guys the charger here. So basically, these are 100% rechargeable. So you would have to make sure that you charge them every single day and night, just kind of like your phone. And the way to do it is when you take them off, you're just gonna go ahead and seat them in their charger. And once they're connected, they'll show a little red light just to let you know that the hearing aids are being charged. So once you charge them, you should get up to 24 hours of usage, and you should get a full charge within 3 hours of charging them. You can get a full charge. So the only difference would be if you're using a battery operated hearing aid, you could turn them on and off whenever you'd like, and you get about, I would say, 7 days average usage with a battery, and you don't have to wait to charge your hearing aids to use them. If you run out of battery, then you just open the battery door, take out the battery, put a new one in, and you're pretty much good to go. Another feature is these have Bluetooth connectivity direct to iPhone. Now, Android users can use it, but you would have to buy a little separate accessory. It's kind of like a little clip you could put on your shirt, your pocket, and it just allows Android phones to stream the phone calls, the music, any audio directly to the aids. But if you're an iPhone user, you'll be able to stream directly to your hearing aids without having to have any separate accessory. So another great feature about these Open S models is that Oticon has one of the best noise reduction features. So if you're a person who goes to a lot of social gatherings, meetings, or you're consistently in noisy situations, this would definitely be a good fit for you. So who would this hearing aid be a good fit for, right? This actual hearing aid comes in 3 technology levels. So there's an Open S 1, 2, and 3. So starting with the 1, the 1 is the most advanced when it comes to having the best noise reduction features, sound clarity. So the 1 would be for a person who is extremely active and is in complex noisy situations. For example, they go to a lot of social gatherings, they're consistently in meetings, there's always a lot of background noise in their day-to-day lives. The 1 would be definitely the best fit for that patient. The Open S 2, now, someone who's moderately in noisy situations, not too much, but does go to work still, has group meetings and stuff like that. And then the last but not least, the 3 would be the most basic tech level for someone who's not so active. So a person who's mostly at home, maybe goes out once in a while, who doesn't have a lot of background noise in their day-to-day lives and stuff like that. But you don't lose any of the features. Every tech level has all the Bluetooth connectivity, and you can still choose either battery operated or rechargeability and stuff like that. So who is this hearing aid best fit for? So a patient that has a mild to severe hearing loss can wear this hearing aid, just because this receiver can be changed out very simply to a very powerful or a very soft speaker, right? This hearing aid also comes in 3 tech levels. So there's the Open S 1, Open S 2, and Open S 3. So for a person who is very active, who is extremely in noisy in situations, a lot of meetings, big meetings, has a lot of background noise all the time, the best tech level would be the Open S 1. Now for the Open S 2, that's for someone who's moderately in noisy situations. Let's say they still have group gatherings, go out once in a while, maybe moderate background noise. You'd be okay with the Oticon Open S 2. And for the Open S 3, it still has some noise reduction features, but it's for someone who's probably stays more at home, or doesn't go out as much once in a while, doesn't have a lot of background noise on their day-to-day lives and stuff like that. So just to review, we've gone over what's in the box, what do the hearing aids come with. You got your case, this one has the charger, the features you can choose a battery operated hearing aid or a rechargeable hearing aid, has Bluetooth connectivity direct to iPhone, and who was this hearing aid best fit for. So if you guys have any questions, please post in comments. Don't forget, we're offering $1,000 off a set of these hearing aids, and you can try them risk-free for 14 days. All you got to do is send us a message or comment down below, and me or one of my team members will get in contact with you. All right, guys. Hope you guys learned something. We'll catch you on the next one.